Myself, AJ Singh. I am Executive Director of Tynor Orthotics Limited. We are manufacturers of orthopedic medical equipment since last 30 years. We are the brand leaders in India. Plus, we are brand leaders in 5 other countries. We are marketing our products in 50 countries in almost all geographies of the world. Today we are going to talk about sustainability. That is one of the important vision we carry. In our sustainability vision and mission, we have implemented so many aspects. We have created all our manufacturing buildings as IGBC gold rated green buildings. And in the process of creating these green buildings, we have incorporated a lot of initiatives in sustainability like zero liquid discharge, 90% groundwater recharge. One of the major component of sustainability is green power. So we have 30% of our renewable energy coming from solar power in all our manufacturing units. So we have a vision to have almost 100% renewable energy from solar power by 2030. This particular vision is, I would say, contributed by Hartek Group. First of all, they have done a wonderful job by implementing every installation well in time, and they have done wonderfully good job for all our units. They have implemented solar panels in our manufacturing units. I urge my fellow manufacturing industrialists to go the direction of sustainability and imbibe the solar power through Hartek. Thank you.